Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to scan QR code in Clash Royale. All right, so let's begin with the video. To scan a QR code in Clash Royale, first open the Clash Royale app on your mobile device. Once the game loads, look at the top right corner of the screen where you will see a 3-person icon. Tap on this icon to open the social or friends section. On the next screen, you will find the Add Friend button. Go ahead and tap on it. After tapping the Add Friend option, you will see your own QR code along with options to share it with others. If you want to scan someone else's QR code, simply tap on the scan icon, which will open your phone's camera. Point your camera at your friend's QR code, and once it is detected, your friend will be added to your Clash Royale account. There is also another method you can use if your friend has sent you a screenshot of their QR code. In that case, open the image in your phone's Gallery or Photos app. Then, long press on the QR code image, and you should see an option like Open in Clash Royale. Tap on this option, and it will automatically process the QR code and add your friend. This provides a convenient alternative if you're not scanning the code directly through the camera. And that's it. So that's basically how you can scan QR code in Clash Royale. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.